Hi friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library at the end of week 7 of our summer reading challenge. I hope you're enjoying our program and doing all of the activities and getting lots of points. Today we are going to be making a tiger out of chenille stems. Please join me and I'll show you how to make it.
So in your kit that you picked up at the library, you are going to find 3 orange chenille stems or pipe cleaners and 3 black ones. And you're also going to need some additional items. So scissors and a pen or a pencil. One more optional item is a marker. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to pair up a black with an orange. And then we are going to twist the black and the orange together. These are going to make your tiger stripes. Do that for all 3 sets of black and orange. Great job. Next, we are going to cut 1 into 3. Pretty equal parts. You can fold it first. All right, and then just cut at the end. So you're going to have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to cut. And we have 3. Be careful of the ends, they might be sharp. All right, now we are going to take our pencil and take one of our wraps, and we are just going to wrap it around the pencil. A nice tight coil. Now this can be a pen or a pencil. This is going to be the body of your tiger. When you're done twisting it around, you can pull it off and put that aside for a minute. Now we are going to take the next one and make a head and a tail. So we're just going to make a small loop and twist it. And you're going to have something that looks like this. So now what we're going to do is go up to the top and wrap so that there's no opening in that loop. And then this part is going to be the tail. So what we're going to do is just feed the body through that head and tail and squish it up. And now you can make a little, you can bend the tail or you can curl the tail, and this is going to be the head. So it's starting to look like a tiger. What we're going to do with these is make feet, front feet and back feet, and then ears. For 2 of them, we are going to bend it in half. Okay, and then open it up a bit, bend up so that it looks like that. Twist together a little bit more if you need to. Bend up. And then these are going to be the front feet, so we're just going to bend in so that they look like little paws. Bend in. All right, so those are going to be the front feet. And now again, we're going to bend in half. And then for the back paws, I'm just going to bend and leave that because tigers have bigger back paws than they do front paws. So that's going to be the back paws of the tiger. And the way that you attach them is you are just going to put the, near the tail, you're just going to fit that in between the coil, and near the head, the front paws, you're just going to fit them in between the coil. Great. With this, we are going to just bend up and that's going to be an ear, and bend again with this side, and that's going to be an ear. And now I'm just going to make this into what looks like a little headband. Okay, and then we're going to place that right on our tiger like that and squeeze it in just a little bit. And there's your tiger, and you can leave your tiger just like that, or if you have a marker, you can make a little face on your tiger. So I'm going to make 2 eyes, 1 eye there and 1 eye there. And then I'm going to use this and make a little nose and mouth. There's my little tiger face. And as always, remember to clean up, cap your marker, put your supplies away, and make sure you have a nice clean workspace to do another craft next time. And make any adjustments that you need to for your tiger to sit or stand or whatever you would like it to do. Congratulations, you made a tiger. Nice job.
Friends, I hope you had an awesome time making your tiger. And for doing this event, the code word for your Beanstack account is dogwood. Please check our calendar for additional events, and please email us pictures of your tiger. We'd love to see how they came out. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.